Welcome to 2-Minute Tips, Photoshop for Entrepreneurs. Welcome to tip number 1, where I'll be showing you how to set up a new project for print. We're starting with the program open. It's Photoshop Elements version 12, and I've clicked on the Expert tab. That will give you the most control. We're going to create a new document using File, New, and we're going to come over to a blank file. And that will bring up this dialog box, which gives you a place to put in your information. In this case, what comes up is we have a document sized in pixels, but that's not what we want because we want to print something. So you could just change everything, but the easiest way to do it is to use what they call presets. A preset is a predetermined set of options. In this case, we're going to assume we're going to make a flyer on a standard 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. So I just have to come up here to this drop-down menu and look at my options, and you'll see that one of the options is US paper. Could also do it with international paper if I wanted to do that with millimeters, but I'll stick with US paper. And when I click that, it automatically fills in the information that I need. It starts with a letter size. That's a default 8.5 by 11. I could make it legal or tabloid 11 by 17, but it has that already put in for me. Resolution, even if you have no idea what resolution is, it's how tightly the pixels are packed together. But in this case, it knows it's going on a piece of paper. You're going to print it. It gives you 300, the standard you would need. Color mode is already set up for you also, as well as the background contents, which it's assuming white piece of paper. You can change that, the background color, or you can make it transparent. So everything is set up to do a flyer just like this. Now, one thing that's a little different about Photoshop, you'll notice I don't have the option for portrait or landscape. It's automatically in portrait with 8.5 being the width. If I want to change it and have it landscape, I can change my width to be 11 and my height to be 8.5, and all the other settings would stay the same. I can click OK, and when I do that, I end up with a piece of paper, a blank piece of paper that I could start on. So we've created a new file. We used presets to set it up, and we are all ready to go. So I'll see you in another tip.